of depreciation, methods of providing the marks. मैं सबको mute कर देता हूँ.
Statement of
Yes, ma'am. You muted everyone.
I'll mute everyone.
mute us, ma'am.
Methods of providing the depreciation. ऐसे answer ना. Essay answer, methods of providing the depreciation. Here, how many methods you have? Fixed installment method. In the diminishing, they may ask the written down value, some of the year's digits, but most of the time they'll ask you to the written down value method. Okay. And how many methods you have? Fixed installment, diminishing balance, annuity method, sinking fund, insurance policy, other methods. So you have to explain each and every one. So if they ask for the long answer, page number, yours is different, mine is different, my page number. Just let them know, but beta, Najma is given the page number, that is 207. So in the fixed installment method means whenever you are making the depreciation means what? Decreasing the value of an asset. Okay, it is fixed installment method means every year, if till the 5 years, how many years they ask to take out the depreciation, till that many years, the value of the depreciation will be the same, continued for the same. Okay, and that is a equal installment or the straight line method. According to this method, fixed and equal amount is charged on the depreciation every year during the lifetime of an asset. When you are presenting the depreciation, as the graph would be in the straight line, because it is a fixed installment method, straight line method means same. Got my point? And here, whenever you are purchasing and additional amount is spent on any of the asset, so that will also should be added. Suppose if you are purchased the machinery for 12,000 and you have spent the amount for installation, that amount will be added to the 12,000, and on 15,000 the depreciation will be allotted. Got my point? So here, see in the page number, that is first illustration you see. Mrs. Uma Nath and the company purchased a cold storage plant on January 1st, 2014 for rupees 10,500 and spent the 500 on its erection. Erection means it may be an installation or anything. So for the 10,500, you must add the 500 also. Means total it is 11,000. And the asset is expected for last 4 years. Means you have to do the depreciation for 4 years. That is estimation for the 1,000. That is a breakup value. Breakup value means that is, you can say that it is a scrap value or it is a breakup value. Means that value should be minus from the 11,000. Then total value will be 10,000. So how many years? How many years that they asked to make the depreciation? How many years they asked to do the depreciation? 4 years. 10,000 divided by 4. So how much you'll get? 2,500. Means here they have not given any percentage for making the depreciation. So you have to find out the depreciation amount, and that amount should be deducted from the values. Got my point? Is it clear? Got my point, ma? So now we'll do the problem. This problem only I'll make you to do. Waterman, ma? What? Why, Durga? Why you want me again to repeat? First, we have calculated that is the cost of asset is 10,500. For that, they have added the erection charges. That is the total. It is 11,000. Out of the 11,000, they have take down the breakdown value. That is a minus 1,000, and that is from the 11,000. If you minus the 1,000, total it is a 10,000. So it is given for how many years? 10,000 divided by 4 years. Got my point? So that the value of an annual depreciation is 2,500. So I'm writing here, it is a year, particulars, then amount, then date. It should be in the T form. Particulars, then amount. Ma, making the table is very important. Not 4, ma. Once means here he has not given the percentage to calculate the depreciation. So instead of that is in the straight line method, no. If it is a diminishing, we would get the percentage value. But here they have, it is given in the straight line method. That's why we have calculated the depreciation amount for the 4 years. For all the 4 years, you have to write the 2,500 only. So now I'm taking the 2014. 2014 year. What did you back? Always, whenever you are buy the asset, it should be bank. Understood? Bank account. What is the amount? Bank account. What is the amount is given? 10,500. Here you have to write the plus erection charges to erection charges. How much the erection charges? It is a 500. Got my point? Then here total will be how much? 11,000. Now we have to take, when you are, it is a January 2014, it is a January. Okay. Then when is a starting year? At the end, you have to write 31st December. Okay. Then it is a by depreciation. By depreciation. How much the depreciation amount is calculated? What is the depreciation amount? What is the depreciation amount we calculated? It is a 2,500. So now 2,500. So last, you have to write what is the amount we have got? That is a 11,000. Is it clear? So to make it equal, 11,000 minus 2,500, how much? It is a 8,500. What? And this 8,500 for the next year, 2015, January, you have to bring that down. That is, it is a 8,500 is the closing balance. For the next year, you have to bring down, that is a to balance brought down. Is how much? That is a 8,500. And because this is a problem, whatever we are doing, that is a related to which one? Straight line method. I'll write here. Fixed installment method or straight line method. Understood? So this is the closing balance. This is the opening balance. Whatever it is a closing balance, that will become the opening balance for the next year. So next is a 31st December. What is the depreciation amount? By depreciation, how much? It is a 2,500. It is given that it is a fixed. So what is the total here? It is a 8,500. It is a total. What total amount I'll write? I will put in the red color. So here also you must get the 8,500. So what is the balance amount? By balance, carried down. How much? It is a 6,000. Understood? Now, you got now? Then how many years they asked? 4 years. 2016 Jan. Yes. So here closing balance is a 6,000. Opening balance to balance brought down. How much more? What is the balance brought down amount? It is the 6,000. Yes. When is this year closing balance will become the next year opening balance. Now, 31st December. What is the depreciation amount? By depreciation. How much? It is 2,500. Then here the total should be 6,000. Okay. Here also 6,000. What is a balance? By balance carry down. What is the balance amount? Yes, very good. It is a 3,500. Till here we have finished. Then the last year is a 2017. To balance brought down. It is a 3,500. Then 31st December. By depreciation. How much? 2,500. The next by balance carry down. How much? Here you see, find out the amount of depreciation to be charged every year and show how the plant account would appear for 4 years, assuming that it was sold away. In the last year, they have sold it for how much? For 850. Understood? Then this is not the balance brought down. It is bank. Bank in bracket. You must write sale of machine. Sale means you have sold it. And then, so how much you must get here? It should be 3,500. So here also, there should be, you must get 3,500. So what is the balance you remain here? So how much? It is a 150 balancing. So you have got the profit or loss. Yes. So here that is a by loss on sale. That is a 150. This is a fixed installment method. So here this is a balances, nothing is not important. Only the depreciation account is important. When you are writing the depreciation account, it should be, you have to write heading that is plant account. If it is a machinery account, machine account. Here this is a, here 250 plus 850, how much more? So otherwise you take 11,000 is a machine cost. Okay, 11,000 is a machine cost. For 4 years, how much is the depreciation? For 4 years, what is the depreciation? All depreciation for 4 years. Into 4, 2,500 into 4. 10,000. For 10,000, you add the 850. How much? 10,850. 10,850. You have sold it. Sorry, minus it. 10,850. उसमें और 150 मिलाई तो क्या है? अपना मशीन का वैल्यू 11,000 है. सो उसमें अपने को 10,850 हुआ तो क्या हुआ? लॉस नहीं हुआ. अपना मशीन का कॉस्ट 11,000 था. So you have made it for the 10,850. So it is less than your machine only, no? Machine cost. That is 150 is a loss. When you sold your machine, loss of the machine. Now understood? Take down fast. Take down fast now. Here 10.5 में देखो distinction among provision, reserves and fund. 10.5 में देखो differences. No, not important. You only do the depreciation account. Ma 10.5 distinction between provision, revision, reserve and fund. Take down, that is an important theory. And next is the classification of reserves, provisions and the funds. Flow chart, if you understand, you can write down the answer. Yes, Sangeeta is writing now. Nauchin also given the page number. Sirisha, the cost of machine is how much? It is 11,000. Okay. And in that 11,000, the depreciation amount is how much? 10,000. Total for 4 years. 2,500, 2,500, 2,500, 2,500. It is a 10,000. And you have sold that machine for how much? It is a 850. So 10,850 is the amount you have got. 11,000 is the cost of your machine. And you have paid the depreciation. Depreciation amount is for 4 years is 2,000 into 4. It is a 10,000. In that, you have sold your machine for 850. Means total it is a 10,850. Must wait the clear garden just I'm helpless. First you see what is the cost of the machine. And the depreciation for 4 years, what? 2,500, 2,500, 2,500, 2,500. How much it is? It is a 10,000. In that you have sold your machine for how much? It is a 850. Means 10,850 is very less amount than your cost of the machine. That is a loss on sale is a 150. Got? We'll do one problem. आपके बुक में नहीं, आप लोग मेरे बुक में से कराओ मैडम बोल के बोलते, बुक में है इसमें depreciation accounts. That's why I'll use the other books. Did you all note down? So I'm sending the one question same as which now I have given. Okay. So you want me to send now only or afterwards? I'll send now only. I'll see how many will do this. I'm sending to the financial accounting also. Yes, everyone got the questions? Yes. So the second illustration second is a homework for you, and illustration 3 now I'll do. Ma, whoever not got, just you. Ma, number is wrong. So you can send personally, send me. I'll send you to you. Okay. So now we are going to the next problem. See the illustration. Ma, anyone can send the link, ma, please. The students who are not got the question. It is clear only, ma. I'll send afterwards. Ma, Sirisha, you are the admin, no? Sirisha. Ma, anyone take the initiation and send the link for the students, ma? Yesterday, some of the students told me, no? Date, particulars, amount, date, particulars, amount. Okay. Now, see the question on 1st January 2000. No. ఏంటమ్మా ఫస్ట్ ఇయర్ కదా ఎస్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఫస్ట్ ఇయర్ ఓన్లీ ఆ లింక్ ఉంచడం ఆ లింక్ యాడ్ చేసుకోండి హియర్ illustration number 3 you see H Limited purchased machinery on 1st January 2000 for rupees 2,900 and he spent how much 2,000 on its cartage and rupees 1,000 on its erection is estimated to have the scrap value 5,000. It is a 5,000. At the end of its useful life, it is of a 5 years. So the accounts are closed every year on 31st December. Prepare the machinery account for 5 years, starting depreciation according to straight line. Everyone do along with me. I'll be doing the starting, and the last you have to do it. You also put on the paper. So now, it is a working notes. Working notes. Okay. Now, annual depreciation, how much? Depreciation is equals to how much? How much annual depreciation? Sorry. Not this one. So here, the depreciation, you have to calculate the depreciation. So the machinery cost is how much? So how you have take down the value of diesel, Jan 2000. What it is? To bank. Is it? In bracket, I'm writing. What is the value? 22,000 plus bank. That is 2,000. It is spent on cartage. Getting that machine. Then plus and erection charges means installation. उसको refitting करने के लिए कितना हो गया? How much it is? How much it comes to? 50,000. 50,000. How much to 50,000? 22,000, 2,000 and 1,000. It comes to 25,000. Is it clear? Ah, so in the last problem, what you did it? What you did? How you have taken in the straight line method? This is 25,000 divided by how many years? 25,000 divided by how many years they asked to take down? How many years? ना question में देखो. 5. 25,000 divided by 5. $25,000 divided by 5. Yes, it is a 5,000. My illustration number कौन सा बोली मैं तुम लोगों को? 3, no? H purchase machinery. $2,000. For rupees 20. Yes, someone has a students have told me, madam, it is a rupees 29,000 plus 2,000 and plus 1,000 minus 5,000. Got my point? Yeah. Your annual this is the cost of the machine is 29,000. Okay. Plus 2,000 plus 1,000. Then what is the total? Yeah, someone has given it very good. It is a 32,000. Okay. Minus scrap value. Ma'am, Zainab, it is not from your textbook, beta. I am following my textbook. So minus the estimation, the scrap value is the 5,000. How much? 32 minus 5,000. Yes, 27,000. Then divided by 5. Yes, 5,000. Five thousand 400. It is a 5,400. Yes. It is a December. In the month of December to depreciation. But here they have not given the percentage. In exams, they'll give asked to give the percentages. Okay. So in the last December by depreciation. How much? What is the depreciation amount? Sorry, it is not the 29,000 in your question. It is a 22,000 only. It is a printing mistake. Instead of the 22, they have printed 29,000. So 4,500. So you are telling that is a 4,500? So here we got the total how much? 25,000. Is it right? So from the 25,000, you minus the scrap value. How much is the scrap value? 5,000. So from the 25,000, if you minus the 5,000, what is the amount? Divided by 5. Yes. These are 4,000. Now, by balance, carry it down. So because of that, I also confused. It is not the 29,000, it is a 22,000. 22,000 plus 2,000 plus 1,000. But you can ask me, madam, you have taken here, means whatever the total amount is a 25,000. From the 25,000, you have to minus the scrap value. So then it will come to the 20,000. 20,000 divided by 5 is a 4,000. Then total value, how much you'll get now? By balance carried down, it is a 21,000. Got my point? Then it is a 25,000. Now, which method they asked this one? It is a diminishing. So again, you have to take in a January 2001 to balance brought down. How much? It is a 21,000. And it is a December by depreciation. By depreciation, how much? It is a 4,000. Means which method we are using here? By balance carried down. It is a straight line method. 21,000 minus 4,000. It is a 17,000. Now it is the total is 21,000. Here also 21,000. Got my point? And did he sold this machine? Did he sold his machine? Tell me fast. Do the 2002, 3 and 4. And tell me the balance. देखेंगे कौन बोलते मेरे को? Yes, 17,000 is the total for 2002. Good. That is balance brought down. And the depreciation amount, it is a 4,000 only. $3,000. From where 3,000? 4,000 only. Yes, good. Next. Yes. Next. आपने बुक में करते हुए बोलो जल्दी जल्दी. And the fourth year, what is the closing balance? Fourth year, that is 2003, what is the closing balance? Tell me fast. Very good. Very good, Samir. Very good. It's a 9,000. Good. And what is the last year closing balance? Very good, Nausheen. Sarah. Very good. Very good. Now you are understood no straight line method. Good. Now, see the page number, I don't know, 11.6. 11.6. 11.6. Oh, yes, Vasudha, very good, ma. 5,000. See the 11.6. Page number 256. Mine is 248. Okay. In this, capital when you are doing the journal entries, capital will come on the credit side or the debit side? You tell me. Journal entries करें ना? Capital कहाँ पे आता? Balance sheet में liability side आता, credit. So here you have to show. See here, this is a problem from the following list of the balances. ये अब short में आता मा. Old book is a 248. Yes, it is there in the intermediate also. Trial balance. This one you'll get for short answer. So here, this is the balance where you have to prepare the trial balance as on 31st July 2017. So these are all the expenses. These are the amounts they have given. You have to post it and make it the total. Okay, capital is credit, means that is you have to pay it afterwards. Drawing is also debit side. So when you are writing the journal entries, that is the drawing account data to cash account, it show on the debit side. Premises, it is an asset, so it will also on the debit side. Debtor is also debit. Purchases, it is a debit. Sundry creditors, debit or credit? Very good. And furniture and fixtures, it is a fixed asset, so debit side. General expenses, debit. And return inwards is a inward you are getting, that is a debit, not credit ma. Inward, outward is a credit. And postage and stationery, debit. Discount allowed, debit side you'll write. Discount received, credit side. Okay, here it is a discount allowed upon 3-column cash book में डाले थे ना. In the 3-column cash book, discount allowed is on debit side, discount received is a credit side. And cash at bank, it is a debit. And bills receivable, it is a debit. Salaries, debit. Bank loan, debit. Sales, credit. Sales. And stock, debit. Bills payable, credit. Upon pay kar rahe na, payable means. Carriage on purchase, 150, debit. Wages, debit. Bank charges, debit. And carriage on sales, debit. Discount received, मैं बोली ना अभी, discount allowed is a debit, discount received is a credit. Cash in hand, debit. So these all are the accounts you have to write on a debit and credit side. This for pro forma particulars, LF, debit and the credit. So when you are writing this all, you have to add on both the sides and you have to make it equal. Understood? So here you have the sum of the questions. You try. Okay, ma. Exercise questions are there. And in next week, no one should absent, ma. Next week में absent नहीं होना. Because the important topic मैं यह बोलने वाली हूँ, that is the final accounts. And here 7th unit it is there. No, I don't know which is the 7.3. 7.3. Next is the last classes. Yes, last. 7.3 देखो ma. You are all asking me bank reconciliation statement. For the bank reconciliation statement, you go with the theory. You go with the theory ma. If I take the bank reconciliation statement, it will take a lot more time. Okay, theory it is there. You can go. That procedure is there now. Procedure for ascertaining the cause transactions, the passbook and the cash book. वो पढ़ लो. And the next week is the last classes you'll be having. And in that, I'm going to do the final accounts. Okay? In the last unit, you'll be getting the 2 problems. Okay? Now, I'm leaving. Just you have to give me a time. Again, I have to join. By 1:15, I'll join ma. Economics. 1:15 तक मैं join हो जाता. Okay? You all come by 1:15. Okay? Shall I leave? So whatever the topics we have did, you're understood now? You're all clear with this? Okay. Okay. We'll come by. I'll come by in 1:15, ma. Ma, once again, just send the link notes. The students who are not got, they were not in the group. Who are not in the group, just send the link, ma. They'll all join. Immediately all join, ma.